This video is about the Ansible playbook for GCP automation. I'm gonna create a GCP storage bucket with Ansible playbook, which could be easily be done within a minute. So the goal today will be with an Ansible playbook for automation to create a storage bucket on GCP, Google Cloud. This is my Ansible playbook. In this playbook, I already have a GCP project and I've already created a service account with JSON file for credentials. In this playbook, I defined a few variables, the name and some parameters, the GCP parameters, storage name, and some labels. I'm gonna use GCP storage bucket, this Ansible module, to create the bucket. After the creation, I'll also upload the file into the bucket. This is the console of GCP. If we go to cloud storage bucket, so for now I've only have one bucket available on GCP. Let's run the playbook. Done. Playbook succeeded. Let's see, let's refresh. You can see a new bucket with this name has been created, and inside this bucket we have already uploaded a file. This is how I do GCP automation with Ansible playbooks.